And A6 Hotel Delta field inside, breaking off for the circle.
Right 6 Hotel Delta, roger, just remain clear of the surface area of the Bravo, runway 34, clear to land, wind 28010, gust 16.
Clear to land at 34, Hotel Delta.
And exec tower, Pizza 192, the RNAS 30, circle 34.
Pizza 192, executive tower number 2, following a Falcon, to start in the circle, inside GDAS there. Report circling for runway 34, wind 280 at 9, gust 16.
Okay, we'll report the break off the circle for Pizza 192.
And the current runway condition codes for both of you guys, 6 Hotel Delta and Pizza 192, 555, 100% wet.
Thank you.
Got it.
Scout 7377 echo inbound for 30 close out with Juliet. We have 30 miles southeast.
737 Tango Echo, roger, the wind's 27010, gust 18. Just verify you want straight into runway 30?
Runway 30, 737 Tango Echo.
7 Tango Echo, roger, report 3 mile final for runway 30. The current altimeter 279er.
2979 will report 3 mile final for 30737 Tango Echo.
Creaster 192, runway 34, clear to land.
34 clear land, and we just start our break off at 34, please turn.
Perfect, thank you.
3039er, moving numbers
818 November X-ray, can you accept the immediate?
Affirmative 8 November X-ray.
8 November X-ray, fly room heading, runway 34, clear for takeoff. Traffic is a G150, making the right base there, so no delay on the roll.
No delay on the roll, fly runway heading, quick takeoff, and heading for 8 November X-ray.
Creaster 192, traffic challenger, departs prior to arrival, he's going to take it around the corner.
Auto.
Roger, Pizza 192.
Brake. Brake. Brake.
8 November X-ray, nice job, contact Chicago departure, we'll see you.
Brake.
For departure 8 November X-ray, traffic going.
Brake. Brake.
Any airport vehicles on the frequency? Creaster 192, tower, are you okay? Creaster 192, tower. Number 7, Tango Echo, remain clear of the Delta.
Will be clear of Delta, 337 Tango Echo.
Creaster 192, tower.
Tower, good morning, helicopter 911, Victor Hotel, hangar 11, information, Victor, for the emergency position departure, headed towards downtown southeast.
Unable, I can't move anyone right at the moment, just had an aircraft go off the end of the runway, I'll get right back to you.
Roger.
Creaster 192, tower. Airport 1, proceed direct to the aircraft, they're non-responsive. 7 Tango Echo, remain clear of the class Delta. The airport's going to be closed for a minimum of 3 hours right now is the estimate, and sorry, you have to go somewhere else for now.
Roger, we'll go to Waxy.
Creaster 192, tower. Airport 5, did the aircraft go through the fence, or did they pass, or is it before or through the fence? Through the fence, okay, thank you.
Executive Tower 818 X-ray.
818 November X-ray, go ahead.
Thanks for giving me that expedited takeoff.
Oh, yeah, man, unfortunate, but good job on your part.
Yeah, thank you.
嗨，大家好，我是 Google 小姐机长。首先呢，想要先谢谢看到这边的各位。如果喜欢我的影片的话，可以记得按赞或者是订阅。你们的订阅会是我创作的最大动力。现在这个短影音的时代，其实大家都是在拼速度、拼产量。但是我做一个空难模拟的影片呢，从看事故报告、做画面、录影，再加剪辑，这样子，总共大概2个礼拜的时间。因为我平常还有一个朝9晚6的正职工作。再来晚上，现在还是夜间部的大学生，是上6点到10点的课，所以其实基本上我就只有通勤的时间可以剪影片，例如通勤或者是半夜或者是假日的时候，所以我有时候会选择搭公车上班，因为搭公车从我的租屋处到内湖大概需要单程1个半小时的时间，那我来回就3个小时的时间可以剪影片，所以才会导致我产片量会比较久一点。 因为制作一部影片的时间也会比较长。所以再呼吁一次，就是如果喜欢我的影片的话，希望大家可以多多订阅，订阅的话就不会错过我的最新影片，也是对创作者的最大动力。谢谢大家。